Hello everyone, this is my CS50 project CLI expense command line interface expense tracker analyzer. My name is Rigved. This is my GitHub and edX profile. I belong to Bengaluru, India, and I created this project on 22nd of April. So now let's move on to my project. Here you can see I have leveraged SQLite. My database name is expenses. These are some of the system arguments which I'll be using. I have this is a database initialization function, add expenses, list expenses, delete expense, print summary function, plot expenses functions for in which I have used matplotlib library in Python, and lastly I have function to save report. So let me show you the readme file first for this project. This is the requirements. In the readme file, all the details of the project, what tech stack and what functions I have used. So let's add some of the products in our database first. First is the pizza, and I have added this in my food category. The second one is tickets, which I have added in travel category. After that, we can list out the things. It is in a tabular format. The previous were some of the data which I entered earlier in the database. So you can see over here one redundant value pizza is there. So I want to delete one of the entries over here. I'll enter the ID number for the entry which I want to delete, and it will be get deleted. We can see this in using list. Yeah. So let's move on to next function over here, summary. Here by category it is distributed, and the sum of the expenses is listed over here. In plot functions, you can see I have implemented 4 graphs showing different plottings and mapping of the project, spending over time, top expenses, spending by category and all. So yeah, and after this I have one save report function, and in which the report of the database is saved in the same directory in which the project is present. And I have also used PyTest for checking the test cases for this project over here. You can see I have 9 test functions, and each of the test functions is passing in this project. So this was my CS50 project. I'll sign off and take you a leave. Thank you everyone for listening to it. Yeah.